Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw Bluey in the swimming pool. At first I draw her eyes. Then I draw her mouth. Complete another eye. I draw the shape of her head. I draw her eyebrow. I draw her ears. Then her triangle. I draw her body. And her patches around her. Then I draw her nose. I draw her arms. Then I draw her swim ring. I draw her legs. I draw the swimming pool. I draw the ball.
Bluey and his sister make the best pool-loving band. Bluey's and the sister make the best pool-loving band.
I draw the coconut tree.
Daddy's on the floaty, big and bouncy whale, drifting in the sunshine, telling bingo sailor tales. Mom brings out the snacks, a fruity
I draw the sun. Let's coloring with dark blue.
Water balloons fly high, a rainbow in the air, exploding into laughter, not a single worry to share. Bluey built a sandcastle with towers reaching tall, but Bingo stomps it gleefully and makes the castle fall.
Sandy brown color.
Let's play shop faithfully and makes the castle fall. Let's play sharks, they chatter, fins held high.
Light blue.
Darting and dodging, hiding with the tide. Giggles turn to yelps as water wings go flying. A splash rescues them. The afternoon goes sleepy, eyes
Blue.
droop. But one last giant belly flop makes the water whoop. Towels warm and waiting, hugs drying every tear. The smell flooring whispers happy memories so near. Pool time is the best time, splashing all around. Flippers kicking, doggy paddling, not a care to be found. Marco Polo, mermaid swims,
Red.
cannonball so grand. Bluey and his sister make the best pool-loving band. Bluey's pool adventures, a summertime delight. Friendship, fun, and
White.
laughter, shining ever bright. And when the day is over and sleepy arms arrive,
Light blue.
poolside magic dance and stay alive in that swimming pool. A mermaid
Orange.
in disguise. Her tail
Yellow.
a streak of blue beneath the summer skies. Splash, giggles burst like
Thank you for
bubbles, big
watching.
and